Hello. We are back in the office tonight. Got quite a bit to talk about. Wrote some notes down before the stream, and I was able to locate an actual pencil, so I'm able to put some notes down on paper. It's going to be helpful. We're going to have to essentially make a checklist to prepare for our next vlog situation. PH, buddy, how are you doing, man? I've got some spiked eggnog here. It's quite nice. Oh, that's quite good. 'Tis the season. One of my favourite parts of it, actually. All right. Uh-oh. Let's go on here. Ah, that's not good. You've been having a tough time with it, man. Did you figure out what was going on with the kidney stones as well? All right, why aren't we getting chat? What's going on here?
Diarrhea.
I like how that's the chat message that gets picked up. Start loop. All right, looks like we're running. Did the chat stop again? What's going on with like your diet, man? Have you changed it up or something, or?
Not asterisk 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 blood at least.
Right, that's good. That doesn't sound good at all, man. Oof. No spiked eggnog for you tonight. What sort of stuff you eating these days? Ugh, come on.
Stopped drinking as much soda and starting cooking fresh.
Yeah, no, that's good, man. I like the soda too, but you know, it's literally pointless.
I made ribeye steaks last night, but my girl is fine.
Ribeye steaks are fire. I just bag some up to freeze some, and I've got one. I like to salt my steaks in the fridge for like a day, bring some of the moisture out of it on the surface, and I cook it up high heat, as hot as I can get the cast iron. Make sure when you're doing like the meat's really good for you, but make sure you're doing like something with fiber as well. Eventually you don't have to, but might, you know, slow things down a bit. Broccoli, anything you can tolerate. I'm a big fan of meat myself, but I do like sides of broccoli, potatoes, stuff like that. Alright, well, it doesn't sound like the steaks were bad, man. You just, they went right through you. Okay.
I took some Imodium and fiber tablets earlier.
Yeah, that'll definitely help. That'll slow things down. Cool. Dynamically switch and update. Okay, we're going to figure out how we can dynamically update a YouTube video's title and category from the API. So I'm a bit tired, I'll be honest, but I was like, man, gotta get on anyway, we got shit to do. Dog, out. Don't have time for this.
Bed.
I was buzzing about the vlog test stream, you know, using the iPhone to completely host the stream, man. So many ideas coming back, it was crazy. So we're gonna work through some of the obvious things that popped up, like the crazy voices. It was, man. Definitely, like, looking forward to doing it during the day where there's like, you know, you can see more stuff. But hey man, it worked. Okay, oh, it just reminded me, we got to do reconnection logic. See, that wouldn't I wouldn't have remembered that if you didn't prompt that by saying that. Reconnection logic for RTMP disconnect. Alright, like I said, a lot of this stuff I've never even implemented before, so we'll figure it out together. We'll pull up the docs. I'm assuming it throws some sort of event. Yeah. How did I know this? Because I got bloody experience. Okay. So we're going to set up some event handlers here. Oof. I tell you, man, native iPhone development still, it took me ages to get this working, so this is going to be interesting. We'll go from it.
Where is everyone?
Honestly, you came on pretty.
I love coding.
What's up, buddy? Deceased. PH, you came on pretty quickly. Usually, I'm like sitting here alone for 20 minutes. Would you like to code, Deceased? Like games? Scrapers? What you doing?
Yes. Games.
Oh hell yeah! I'm glad you got notification, PH. That's good news. Hell yeah, Deceased. What are you doing? Are you doing like Unity? Are you doing Godot? What's the other one? C++, Real Engine, Unreal Engine. Like what are you? What'd you like to build? Like 3D, 2D, web? Where is this connection logic?
3D shooters.
Oh, badass. You're gonna have to talk a little bit more about that because that's cool. Alright, broadcast started. Somewhere down here we could probably attach.
That sounds dope.
It does. Man, that's the sort of stuff I want to be able to play with in time.
Did you fix me?
Christian Smith, welcome back. We're back to the office setup today, so everyone sounds professional. But I think it's literally the top thing to get fixed here. Oh, it's the third thing in the notes.
Good.
Yeah, so we'll get that fixed. These are all the things I want to change based out of last night's test stream on the iPhone. So I'm going to work through all of this, and some of it's easier than other bits, that's for sure. God, my brain's moving slow, mate. I have to break out an energy drink. Okay, update. All right, let's start with a simple one. Why is the WebRTC screen share showing in the middle of the body screen on SwiftUI WebView? It should be at the top like it is for everything
I
else.
can't
So
stay for long, but I'm glad you're back home.
I appreciate it, Christian Smith. Even just dropping in saying hello, we appreciate it. Hope everything's good today. Your man and all that. Okay, let's be a simulator. So we can't test any of the replay kit in the simulator, but we can test some of the layout issues, so we'll work on that. I'm gonna have to get in a better habit of keeping my phone charged so we can do more of those impromptu stream tests. Because that was great, man. I didn't expect it to work as well as it did. I'm talking about just providing the RTMP stream to
and
YouTube.
The rooster is crowing.
Ooh, man, how many roosters and chickens you got, man? Never asked. Curious. I had 2 chickens. They did not survive Hurricane Wilma. No, Dorian. Brought them inside and the AC killed them. Sucked, man. Had a Category 5 storm that just sat right off the coast of where I'm at. So we brought, you know, the chickens inside because we expected like severe devastation outside. But this storm just paused right over the Bahamas. It looked like it was coming directly for us, like the eye would have passed over my house. And it didn't. It just stuck out in the Bahamas for 2 days and then shot north. It was very, very strange. I'm grateful it didn't hit us though. It would have took my roof out. Those storms are crazy. Okay, so we're testing layout. Where is my simulator? Why is it not up here? What's going on? Don't make me reinstall it, come on. Oh, I hate how Xcode manages downloads, it's such a pain, dude. Like every update it'll clear out all my simulators and you have to download it and stuff. Like, I've limited space.
But she probably has 25 or something like that.
Let's take a look. Christian Smith says, do it, have some good chicken nuggets. Damn, Christian, you sound like you gotta chill, get some sleep.
Wow.
And some chicken nuggets. They don't belong to me, it's her mum's chickens and she lives close, but I absolutely can't stand. Oof, that sounds traditional. You got the chickens and it's like, that's how it was 1,000 years ago, dude, that's crazy. But how many she got? There's no way I've drank this. That's crazy. 25, okay. Why is it skipping comments? We need to investigate what the hell is going on here. It's just YouTube not sending this out. Why isn't the system picking them up? I'll add it to the list. I can only debug one thing at a time. I'll just keep an eye on chat. Investigate why YouTube straight chat is dropping messages. Oh, PH Designs, did you hear I got a content ID because I played that 30-second clip of the Mighty Bush? Last time I got a content ID, it, like, slowed down the channel for 2 months. I'm hoping it'll be alright, but...
We can only have a max of 5 chickens, max or 4 dogs or cats.
Oof. Christian Smith, are you like a city? I'm in a... I don't have a city where I'm at, but it's county. But they have some ridiculous rules. Like, I live on a dirt road, but they made the golf carts illegal out here. But there's a city down the road, and they're allowed to drive golf carts. Make it make sense. But the reason I say that is they banned all the ATVs, dirt bikes,
Yeah.
everything.
Pop one with the .22 and a thermal scope.
Oh no. Yeah, it's sitting. Okay, wow. So Christian, you're getting double hammered.
Chicken
I like
hunting.
how Christian, you see you have your own very entry in the bug report here. It's like your name, Fix Christian's Voice. I actually posted a short with you in it, Christian. You're like, I sound like a madman, and I cut it up, made it a short. It didn't go anywhere yet, but it was funny.
Where?
If you look on the channel and click shorts, you'll see it. It's the last one. Sometimes the shorts pop off, sometimes they don't.
True Zedit says you are late. Tears of joy. I was sleeping in a hope that you are not going to come live. Down at the
You
farm.
hope that I wasn't coming live?
WW.
Oh no, Truex. Truex, you're late. We've been at this 20 minutes, buddy. Where have you been? Oh, that's right, you just told us. Audacity. Yeah, so with the whole iPhone app and being able to, you know, essentially vlog outside, it's going to open up the garden as well. So I do a lot of work out there and stuff.
Funny.
Tears of joy.
Christian.
Hello, Mr. Hot Wife. Tears of joy. How are you?
Right, Truex, behave yourself. YouTube's upset at me right now, remember? We need to get those thousands of views back.
Doing fantastic.
Truex wants some, PH.
I can't believe you made me a short.
Well, you deserved it, Christian. It was a very memorable moment.
How are you, my lady of the night? Tears of joy.
I sound like a madman on drugs.
Now you sound like you host a BBC documentary, so
Amazing rolling on
evened
the
out.
floor laughing.
You guys, something I have to think about, and you have to think about too. I've
I
noticed
sound better tonight.
when new people come on the channel, they don't initially pick up the fact that the chat controls the avatars. We had someone that came on
The
3
Miami
nights in a
Dream
row.
Team. Florida, let's go.
We had someone that came on 3 nights in a row, and it took them the 4th night to realize that their chat was controlling the avatar, and he was impressed by it. He liked it. We can't have that. We have to fix that. We need to make it clearer that, like, this, I'm not playing a game. Like, this is a live thing. Like, basically my messaging sucks. Please help.
Really?
This is an invention of its own kind.
I think so, PH. So that's probably why it doesn't click right away for some folks.
Pull some
Hey.
questions. Backhand index pointing down. Light skin tone. It would be nice.
Damn. Thank you, Truex. I should be doing that.
Said hi.
100%. Good call.
This is a ever-growing sandbox that he can share with the world.
100%. You get it. I love it. One of the cooler things that ever happened is between you and Truex, when someone was asking what Kynto was, you guys were able to describe it in less words than I was, which was crazy. But you got the point across. It was brilliant. Okay. I'm Looking for the poll questions that were sent over. Uh-oh, why is the computer lag? Oh, because Xcode sucks up all my resources. That's right. Great. We'll get there. This is my idea of a good time. Okay.
We just take bits and pieces of our experiences and key points that were important to you and bam.
Christian, as long as you get up in the morning, you know what I mean by that? Like, you gotta take care of yourself. We would notice it if you didn't come on. I'm 100% PH. Okay. Is Discord supposed to be this laggy? Because I am not sure it's supposed to be this bad.
I would be knockout AF.
Sign of the Horns, light skin tone, staying with a mastermind like you. It's obvious we'll gain some knowledge.
Appreciate that.
Ever tried binaural beats and breathe work?
That's a solid recommendation, Christian, actually. I do that. Don't do it as often as I should, but it does help.
Facts, it's worth it for everyone.
Yep. 100%. Okay. I'm trying to find direct message from Viral
To what
Babu.
Drew said.
Oh, this is a good poll question. We'll get this populated. Truex, we're going to be coding it so we can have Kynto update the title and
What's the
category of
brief?
videos dynamically. He's talking about breath work. You can control your...
Yes, sure. Breathing exercises.
Yeah, it directly controls your vagus nerve, and through that you can literally slow your heartbeat from your breathing. It's incredible.
It sends signals to the brain that calm you.
Yep. I used it actually to help me
I never
free
tried
dive.
that.
I wasn't able to hold my breath for 10 seconds, and I've got it recorded where I was able to stay underwater for
That's
up to
why
3
Ems
minutes.
walk you through breathing.
3 minutes without breathing just because of the breath work. I'm not kidding. Crazy shit. I appreciate that, Christian. If only I had a fireplace. Maybe we'll code one. Alright, you guys should know the answer to
See,
this.
you know.
All the difference.
Stopping the breathing help us becoming calm. How even that possible tears of joy.
But I feel more connected to you. More though. Because of you and me are programming the same stuff.
That's awesome, Christian. You
Learned a
know,
lot to cope. I guess we'll all damage tears of joy.
that's it, PH. That's when it came from. It actually helped me with the dissolution of my last relationship. I started freediving a lot and felt pretty peaceful.
We're.
And Christian, I think the key thing as well is like we're not just coding to code, but creative coding. You know. All right, poll populated. Whoever voted that, I think that's wrong. So you know, Viral Babu,
I
we
go
actually
to
watched the
therapy
first
every
video.
week and we talk about coping mechanisms constantly.
Christian, any that you found that work or help that you would
Me at the zoo.
recommend? Yeah, PH got it. Yeah, man, PH. I was definitely not in a state where I'd be able to do these development
Christian
live
is
streams.
stopping
Like,
by. That's great to see.
all right.
For what issues?
Does therapy work?
That's a fair question, Christian. But yeah, that's kind of my question. Are you in there for like anxiety and stuff? Have you found anything that helps? Like what's I get it, you know, it's personal and stuff, but like I think we all suffer with similar afflictions. You know what I mean? All right, we're just gonna run this on my phone.
I
Not bother
always
with the
feel like
simulator.
anxiety. Tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing.
Yeah, I dose. I pay a lot of money at 160.
Is that with insurance or like without? What the hell? But if it helps, man, it's worth every penny, you know? You get one
I
life,
just want
that's
them
it.
to give me the drugs.
Dark mode, please, bro.
Yeah,
That's
I don't
a
know if
private Dr.
Xcode has
Price.
one. Let's find out. Let me Google it. You guys see me typically code in VS Code, but we have to break into Xcode to do any iPhone development. Alright, they do have a dark mode. Good call, Christian. See the lag here? The good thing is I can restart my development PC without taking out the stream. I've got everything segregated in such a way. Okay, they moved everything around.
I used to pay $160 for my psychiatry visits.
Oh. Man, you can't get me in a doctor if my life depended on it. The last time I was in was surgery on my hip. I'm a wee bit
My
traumatized with
therapist
them.
can't take insurance.
Ah. Where did they move the preferences
Just
screen
for
to?
visits.
This is
Then
not
I
good.
found Sesame.
Is that one of those telehealth providers?
Who is she? Yep.
Yeah, I was actually coding telehealth solutions during COVID, but it's not for what you think. It was for a hormone replacement clinic for men. Let's put it that way.
Telehealth can get my refills for $50.
That's not bad. Oh my god. Why doesn't it just... Maybe in themes?
$50 doctor visit, no insurance.
Yeah, America kind of neglects everyone on the healthcare front. Like, if you're not working a job, like
Tears
my
of
health
joy,
insurance
no
was
insurance.
cancelled immediately.
I do have full health care though.
You know what was weird? My previous job wanted me to do bioscreens where I had to submit like blood profiles and stuff and DNA to them. It's probably part of the reason why I was laid off, because I did not agree.
UHC.
I did not agree to that. And they were going to penalise me, charging me $600 a month. And I was like, do it. I have to go into system preference. Man, sometimes the organization of settings on Macs makes no sense. Like, it's not in the app, it's in the bloody... What?
I pay $160. Crazy things happening around everywhere nowadays.
Why are we running out of space here? Is it Docker?
Why so much for you?
I guess I don't know any better, man. Okay, we know it should not be running OBS on that.
$600 per month.
Yeah, they wanted me to, and that was on top of the 300 I was already paying, 350, because they wanted me to give them my blood, and they're gonna like run cholesterol. Like my company, the company I worked for, wanted like private health
That's
insurance.
Good lord.
Yeah, nothing wrong with me. And you know what's crazy? It was the guy in charge of like tech was like £400, and he's telling us like we need to like submit all of this private health information. I thought it was disgusting. I thought there was supposed to be like HIPAA protection against it. Honestly, man, I've got a lot I could say, but I do my best to hold it together. Okay, it's Docker that's using up.
You can get it cheaper. Go online and Google Golden Rule UHC.
Yeah, I wasn't, bro. The thing is though, like, imagine working at a place and they're trying to get blood from you. Like, it feels like something out of like 1984. But I'll take a look for that when I get sorted. Look up company forcing bioscreens though.
There
That's
is
the thing.
HIPPA protection. Power Skills says a woo 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 woo.
What's up, Power Skills? Christian Smith, I know. I'm very well aware of that. But the way they get, I don't know. I guess no one sued them, so they're allowed to do it. And like, think about it. You can technically, like, as a company, get away with murder until someone like actually does something about it. And most people are just employees; they don't have the money to sue their employer.
A genre-centric network.
So you can see how nothing happens, right? All right, there we go.
Are you on a visa?
No, no. No H-1B.
A woo 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 woo, Mr. Locke.
Yee UWUWUWOWOWOW.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's the rally call right there, man. Trex, I think we need a new thumbnail. Like, YouTube wants new stuff. I thought I've said it a few times, but
It spelled it out.
I'm glad you guys caught the live stream test and they're all part of it, man. That was brilliant. That's what we're working on today, fixing.
Can I share you now?
Yeah, Trex, go for it. I'll pull it up if you want to send on Discord.
Me too. I got to see the asterisk bus. Wait a sec. Or studio. One sec.
You know, YouTube's totally lying about the stats. There's more than 3 people watching this. I don't know what they're doing.
Joy. Sex.
No, it says there's 2 people watching when we've got like
tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing. One sec. Tears of joy.
So you are our citizen.
I'm technically a green card holder. I've been here since 2005. I don't own a home anywhere but America.
He's here on visa.
No visa. Green card's not a visa, but yeah.
It's like a pass.
If I was H1B, I would be sent home.
Permanent visa rolling on the floor laughing PH.
You know what's funny? All of my siblings are American citizens. My mum's an American citizen.
Boo.
I'm the only one that's not.
Now that makes sense.
But you're not. Fun.
No, Christian. Of course, it works out that way. I'm the only one of us that owns a house.
IDC,
you
he
do?
deserves citizenship.
I consider this place my home, man.
He's like a dreamer.
I defend America. I defend America to Americans. Let's put it that way. Because it's like one of the few places, if you work very hard, you can, you know, live a good life. Might be changing a little bit now, but
YouTube needs something else. Rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing. It needs shortcuts. Maybe we are doing hard work and it's just saying keep doing clown face.
honestly,
He grew up
Truex.
going to school here where I grew up.
Yep.
Make your dreams.
Truex, you see a lot of channels, they don't grow up till they've been at it like a couple of years. We're at least a year in now, so it's gonna happen. It'll happen. But I feel you. I do feel like people have the secret sauce and I don't have it, but it's alright. What are you gonna do? Alright, why is this working exactly perfectly? What is going on here? Okay. I'm gonna share desktop production.
So I say he should get the secret sauce.
Yeah. I like secret sauce. Especially if it's fireball and eggnog. It's very good. One of my favourite things about Christmas. Oh, what is going on here? There's... must be throwing like a JavaScript error.
Christian,
Why
get the secret.
Okay, let's see what needs to change for the voice stuff.
No, like Christian.
I don't know
Okay,
what it
so-
takes. I'm seeing some channels getting 10,000s of views and subs in just few days and months, and the people doing something from a long time are not getting far.
There has to be some patterns there, Truex. There has to be some sort of pattern. I know you've set up a bunch of channels, so I listen to you when you say there's something going on.
Because you were chosen.
And Christian, so what I'm doing real quick is we're
Secret
gonna
sauce.
fix the issue with me sharing code where it was shown in the middle of the screen, and we'll move on to voices just because I have to warm up the brain. It's not super easy stuff, but once I get going, we'll be alright. I'd say that's like the top second problem though. Like, we'll fix it.
Yeah, the
Okay, I understand, yeah.
But we're getting it fixed, Christian. We can't have that in the next vlog. It was pretty bad. Oh, that reminds me, we had voice duplication as well, but only for some people. So it's important for me to write all this down. If I don't write it down, there's no way I can fix the issues. So it is helpful when you guys prompt me. It reminds me of like other issues that are related to it, even if I have that issue written down. Do you get what I'm saying? We want to make this as smooth
open
as
mouth
possible.
smile.
Awesome. Jake Peter. Why isn't... It's a complicated app I've built here, man.
How can
There's a lot
people
going
watch
on.
chess stream Tears of Joy? I don't understand. Isn't it boring to watch someone playing a boring game?
Truex, I watched chess streams for like 4 months straight, but probably not in the right mind at the time. I can talk to you about all the drama that was going on
My
back then
lovely
with the chess
juice,
industry.
or my go-go juice. I don't understand.
PH. You're encouraging. Okay, this production, so why aren't we seeing it? Don't see our error here. Let's try reshare.
I am getting some channels tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing while I scroll at midnight related to some playing chess and like 10 people watching 20 watching like why poop.
You know what's funny, Truex? I think Power Skills came in from a chess stream I did. I've only did 2 chess streams.
Tears of joy.
And I think Power Skills was one of the folks telling us bad moves. It was funny, man. It was entertaining. I think it's more interesting to watch someone that doesn't know how to play chess in a way.
Just
There's only so much
jokes.
you can watch.
Yes, I'm
Watch a
from that.
master. Yeah. I respect it. No, I feel you, PH.
I can't believe you and my PH went to that song. But I never watched chess stream otherwise.
That's so funny, Power Skills. Wonder why it popped up in your algorithm. Okay. Oh, it disconnected me. That's very good.
It's
Oh,
OG.
because I see what's going on. I see what's going on.
I was looking. My brain.
You were looking for a coding stream? Okay, cool, Power Skills, because I did have that in the description and stuff, so that makes sense. Ah, Christian. Make sure you're hydrated as well too, man. And you're eating
Milky
enough food.
Cocoa Puff. Put your milk in my Cocoa Puffs. Milky Cocoa Puffs.
Oh, what? Now it's working perfectly. Guys, can you explain this? You seen when I shared my code stream when we were testing this in person that
Chess
it was shown in the middle of the
online
screen.
and all
I mean,
that a time pass rolling on the floor laughing low effort content to get monetized.
I made 0 changes and it's just working perfectly. I don't understand. That is frustrating, dude. But I'll take it. I guess we're moving on to voices now. There must have been an invisible stream running that occupied the top part
What
of
are
the
you
screen.
going to do all that junk inside your trunk?
I was just talking about that song yesterday. Not 2 days ago when I went out. Wait, when did we do the... I think it was yesterday when we did the vlog, right?
I'm a get you asterisk 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 asterisk.
Alright, let's switch this back to
Are you
science
going to give
and
us the tour
education.
upstairs tonight? Awesome.
No, Truex, we're going to do some coding so I could actually use it. And I still have to actually finish cleaning up. Essentially, I'm trying to fix all these reported bugs so we can actually do more iPhone streams. Until I fix these, I'm not really motivated to test it again. Do you get what I'm saying? Even though it was a hell of fun, I can't have Christian's voice sound like that. I can't have anyone's voice sound that bad, and I need it to automatically reconnect if it disconnects from YouTube's RTMP. So those are at least 2 very important things that we need to get done. And then we,
I'll give you a tour of my lab when I finish it.
hell yeah, PH, because you could literally turn your camera on in your phone and just
slacking.
put it forward and walk around it. That's what I'm gonna do.
Wow.
we've got some other changes that are just going to make things more
Yes,
pleasant.
I
Like
can't wait to use this tool.
when we do vlogs, it's going to automatically update the title and the category and the thumbnail, but it'll switch back when we do development streams, so I don't have to manually type all that before a stream. I'm trying to cut down the amount of effort it takes to do streams, so we could just be firing on all cylinders. You know, a day I don't want to code, but I'm out and about, it's vlog day.
iPhone
Sorted.
App Store one day.
100%. Oh, PH, thank you for bringing that up. Do you know that I was on the iPhone App Store and I got taken down because of a friend?
Or is
I
it in
kid
the
you not.
browser?
No, so this is literally a native app.
Play Store app as well, Tears of Joy.
Yep. I had it on the Play Store. It was a friend that took me out. I'm not even kidding. I'll show you the legal notice that I got from him.
Oh dang, how?
Should I pull it up? Do you guys want to see? You guys want to see some drama? I'm not kidding.
The game art issue?
Yes, PH got it. So my friend also was a game developer back in the day, and he had no interest in developing another game again with that art. None.
Amaze Pasta says Namaste.
I remember now.
Amaze Pasta. Yeah, man. And you know what? I forgave him in that, but like, it doesn't mean I'm not upset about it. He felt bad. He didn't expect it to like
Namaste.
completely take me out. And part of the reason I kind of left it off the app stores at that point was to like let him know that like this
Namaste.
is a lot of effort. A lot of
Would you
bloody
be able to
effort.
invite someone to the streaming thing?
Christian, great question. Yes, 100%. And PH can attest to that.
Popcorn yellow stripe smile. Popcorn yellow stripe smile. Fish orange white eyes.
PH has already done that, Christian, when he showed us a couple of demos. PH, refresh my memory on the name of the NAS software, and you also showed us PH Designs, the features that you got coded in there. So yeah, Christian, 100%.
It was
it could be a
crystal clear.
Yep,
Really?
Zima OS.
that's it. All right, I'm putting that on the list because I think I'm just going to put that on like an actual computer, man. We need that up. Amaze Pasta remembered. That's amazing. Welcome back, Amaze Pasta. That's brilliant. Okay, so voices. So this is opening up a can of worms a little bit. What we have to do it.
Rebooted and all. Fully automated.
Hell yeah. And it's technically peer-to-peer as well. That's how it works. So while the stream that I put out to YouTube is like an RTMP stream, which is like client to server, when PH shows
So
the screen and
instead of
stuff,
putting and buying and paying for putting things on the app stores, what I would do is put it on a website and have it be able to download for whatever through the website.
okay, good note, good note. And the cool thing is, like, if you guys, you guys are going to see me publish the Electron application as well. So there's actually there's an executable and a DMG for Linux. No, is DMG Linux or is that Mac?
Yep, for my whole network. I love the app for the iPhone because I can sync all of my photos with it.
But the main thing, Christian, is it's built web first. So you can even do a raw YouTube stream, like as if you're using OBS or Streamlabs just from the browser. But I'm also building all these custom apps because you can't do that on an iPhone or Android because you can't do screen capture from the browser using JavaScript
Hello.
on a mobile phone.
Halo at MR Code Lock.
Explained by Max. How are you doing, buddy? Welcome. We're doing some iPhone development tonight.
Because you have to pay $200 a month for just Apple.
I just subscribed, Mr. Explained by Max.
A year I though.
Or a year.
Thought.
Yeah, Christian, so I have to pay $100 a year just to be able to publish to the App Store, and I do pay that. I had to implement all sorts of stuff, like they rejected my Kynto app about 20 times before
Look
I got
at
it
that
approved.
hot wife thought over there.
Abil mo chat Arif Hyson.
What is that?
That thought be trippin'. Thought got a booty.
Is that a Gaelic? Is that what you were talking about? What language is that?
What language is that thinking face?
Do you know that in Scotland when I was growing up, one of the things that pissed me off was The Simpsons would only come on one time in English. And then the second time in Gaelic.
That's the hood talk.
Oh, I see what you're saying, PH. Alright, alright. Matthew McConaughey over here. Alright, we're going to explore voices. Let's see, can we connect an instance of Safari to a
It's
remote
Scottish
web
Gaelic.
view? Yeah, it's confirmed. Very cool. I do not have a cat anymore,
word.
but I have multiple dogs. I have 2 dogs. Okay, cool. Alright, check this out, guys. If you can see the top of my screen here, when I click develop on Safari, it lets me even
Go as a DHA Thursday.
debug web views remotely. So we can bring up a console window for Kynto web view in the native app, which we're going to need. Wait, hold on, I don't see it. Give me a second.
Most likely.
We might have to
What
hardwire
TDS
it.
is saying Thursday is Thursday thinking face with tears of joy.
How many of you guys have built a native app? I'm curious.
WCKD Studio says hello.
Hello,
Lack of nicotine comes with
WCKD.
bad headaches.
That's true, it really does. Same with coffee.
I have been drinking water a lot. I have.
Christian Smith, make sure you're also eating proper meals. This might sound fucked up, but I was in a motorcycle accident, so I have like nerve pain. If I don't eat enough like good meat, like with animal fat in it,
Try
I feel
some
like
green tea.
my nerves start screaming in agony. Like my back and my legs. It's
Mr. Dexter says Halio.
Mr. Dexter. Hello. Halo trial ongoing. How are you doing, buddy? I loved Halo trial. I didn't have money for games or consoles, so I had Halo trial. Okay, we need a wire. We actually have to plug this shit in.
Maith.
Same. Here, I been eating good. Really good.
It's
Right
got
on, man.
caffeine, and caffeine helps headaches sometimes.
Yeah, especially if you don't have enough caffeine in you, right? Oops. Okay. We also have to change the size. Like there's, I have to decide if we're going to hide the UI buttons that, you know, let me show and hide the cameras and switch them. If you guys
Viral
should see
Babu
them.
says, "Good evening, guys."
Viral Babu, top man. It could be weather-related pH. I have barometric pressure will affect my bones, but I'm telling you, man, like if I just eat like a bunch of potatoes and that's it, oh, I start getting real not well. Okay, we're connected.
No
What
rain.
else we're gonna fix?
Hot AF.
Really, that's like all I eat.
Poor Burger says I got the notification just now when you published the stream.
Bench Poor Burger, but welcome, buddy. Yeah, we've been
I
going
must
for an
switch it
hour
up.
now. We've been going for an hour. See, that's the interesting thing, guys. I know we are going to break through on YouTube at some point because we've got enough of us folks checking in. Man, come on now. YouTube, catch up. Make
Why
sure
did
you're
it
on the
just
Discord.
cut my text.
I regret
Make sure
eating
you're on the
that
Discord,
box
folks.
of Cheez-Its.
So you can actually get real notifications. I'm also going to set up like a mailing list and stuff. But get on the Discord. That way I can fire out notifications to you guys. Because the more people we get on at the start of the stream, we can make this explode and get tons of people on. I'm telling you. The first 10 minutes of the stream decides how the rest of the stream goes. But we're building up slowly right now. Damn, you make me crave Cheez-Its. But I like the
deleted
puff
Discord.
Cheez-Its. I don't blame you, PH. So what are you thinking? Like, should I do text message notifications or like, you know, I can do push notifications on your phone if you...
question, but it didn't go through.
Let me see, Christian. Oh, you did. You said, I made a native app, but it's not working right. Okay, so that does remind me of another thing. When I said we're opening a can of worms with a TTS system,
That would be
that's one of
dope.
the things. I want to actually stack the messages so it's not cutting each other off. So I think it's the time to focus on it. It's getting more important now. Stack TTS notifications. So TrueX
It's
and
like
PH,
I'm
you've
getting
seen this, right?
notifications after the stream and rolling on the floor laughing.
100% Power Scale, that's what's been happening too. Hold on, I've got a hack for this though.
Check my
I'm gonna
hosting website for my number.
Okay, sweet, I'll add you then. We're going to set up codelock.com, and if you guys go on there and click enable notifications on like your cell phone, I can do push notifications without even having to download the app. So I'm going to set something up.
Footer.
Alright, I'm going to put add PH to notification list and set up code lock notifications. Because guys, if we could start with like 10, 15 people on the start of the stream, we could do 100 people coming in at once. I'm telling you. You see how like developing a feature though leads to like all these different side effects of things we have to fix. But Christian, I'm curious what the native
I
app you
haven't
had going
gotten
on.
any live notifications.
And you have the bell checked on YouTube? That's bloody annoying, man. That's unacceptable. We have to finish this guy as well. This is the last React class we have left in the entire project. Everything's functional components now, but the speech synthesizer is attached to this. We have to break this out. It's actually related to 2 bugs, so we might do this right now, actually.
Do you know how to build a calling app that uses Twilio API to make calls?
Yes, I do, and I'll tell you where I did it. There's a bee removal company. You can look it up, Adkins Bee Removal, and it's just an affiliate. They charge $100 to bee remover companies all over the United States to take leads. So when you call like a number in Florida and like, yo, I got bees, it'll dispatch the call to a beekeeper, and they'll pick up the call. And if they pick the call up, they get billed $100. I swear to God. I didn't make any of that money. I got paid crap. I got paid $15 an hour. That was when I was like a kid, but yeah, I built that for them, so hella doable. I got to show you as well. I was coding my own phone interface in this. It was peer-to-peer. Let me find that actually. Check this out.
That's wild.
So I have dial pad component which I coded. We're just going to go and enable it. Give me a second. Yeah, guys, you keep prompting me. I'll keep showing you stuff that I've not even shown you yet. Like AI, you just have to prompt me and it just comes out. Because I've been at this, you know. Alright, we have to reboot Docker because we have to run this in local. Give me a second. It was eating up all my memory. There's a bug in Docker where it's very memory hungry. I'm really hoping I can get on like an hour or two earlier tomorrow.
I wonder if I could get I to build that for me.
PH, you could get a good start about 100%. So the operating system is just Mac. What happened there? I only got into Mac recently. I was building
into admin panel.
I was building iPhone apps via LogMeIn for years. I'd pay for a service where you can look up rentamac.com. That's what I used to do. I paid them $10 a month to rent a little Mac so I could use the Xcode. Eventually I got an actual Mac because I worked for a company that forced it on me, and I was like, this is actually really nice to develop on. It's really smooth. Windows I have all sorts of issues with all the time. Linux, great, but I don't know. Can't always run what I need. It's better than it used to be though. I suffered with it for years. And I use it for all my servers, but Mac is first my development machine. I think the main thing is the battery management. Like the hardware and the software go very well together. So, I don't want to be a fucking Apple fanboy, but what are you gonna do? Okay, we're up. And yeah, PH, this sounds a good plan. Look, it's already lagging out though.
I love my Apple products.
I do. I love my camera on my phone. Like, it's the best camera you're gonna get, other than this one I'm using for the stream. But it's a bulky ass camera. Why is it still connected? I'm so confused. All right, here we go. Sorry about the white background. I made it transparent so we could do the vlog stream yesterday. I'll fix that tonight. It's only does that when needed. Actually, let's do that now. We'll create a setting for it. So it's really nice for me to add new settings to the system. I just come in here and copy this block, duplicate it, populate a new key name, and then have a new setting. That's it. Hell
Maybe
yeah.
that'll help.
I hope so, man. I went and spent $100 at fucking Aldi's tonight, got a bunch of snacks and food. Window to chat. Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna call this, enable use background. I actually have an experiment. Once we get all this vlog stuff done, I'm going to show you something crazy I've been working on off stream. It's to do with using AI to generate user interfaces in real time as the user interacts with Kynto. So, like, yeah, I kind of lay out like a schema that's possible for the AI and give it a bunch of events. And as you use the app, it reassembles user interface based on how you want it. So it's not generating code to do it, it's regenerating a schema and attaching events, so using the event bus I created. It's kind of a crazy idea, but there's a company that I've seen that might appreciate seeing something like that, and it could help me get a job. So we're going to do it. Because as developers and designers, we make decisions for the users for things we're not qualified for. Like, we know which button should go where, or like how to organize the settings menu. I'm sorry, but I'm not that fucking smart. I know how to code a system. I don't know how to lay it out well. So. Okay, now we have this, and reduce background. Fix this so I'm not blowing out anyone's eyes. Yeah, I gotta start with small stuff, or it's like difficult to get coding again. It really is. Disconnect this, probably. We'll make this reactive. This is the thing I love about React and Vue. About building side effects. Side effects used to be a bad word in programming. I think it was a bug. Where now it's totally deliberate based on your data. Very strange. But it works.
Ukshot says I am back.
Hello buddy, welcome. How are you doing?
You know me.
I'm back. I sent you a friend request on Discord.
Oh yeah, Christian. That's right now. Yeah, Ashka, I remember you. Recognize the name.
You know me or forget.
Ashka, I remember your name. I don't know what you worked on. You might have to prompt me.
Sorry, I finally broke down tonight and created an account.
All right, Christian. I'll take a pause and accept then. That's a big step. Done. Perfect. Nice. We have 91 members in the Discord now. Guys, make sure you join the Discord. Ashcat, you just got here. You can't leave us yet. Okay. Oh, I didn't even bother to Twitch up tonight and stuff. I'm gonna check on it. So focused on YouTube crew. We're probably gonna run these Docker containers just not on my local machine because it's just burning up memory that I don't have. We have this giant server with like 500 gigs of bloody RAM in it. Makes no sense. Okay, what's going on here? Why are you glitching? This background's not defined because it removed my import and commented it out, of course. Why would it be? Come on. structure user. What is going on? Why would it be no DH? Should be pulling it in.
I just sent you what I was working on.
Oh hell yeah. Give me a second, I'll take a look. There's some background. Why can't it not destructure? What is going on here? It should be wrapped in the provider. What?
Before my computer.
Oh. Yeah.
Died. But I think I know what happened. So I'm fixing it tomorrow.
Now let's take a wee peek.
I worship my computer on Sundays.
Nice. Nice. Going like a time clock. Very nice, dude. Yeah. How are you generating PDFs? Are you like, are you doing this natively, or are you doing it like Node.js? Like, I've had to generate. The last time I had to generate PDFs was for doctor's prescriptions. Legally, I was working in a telehealth clinic, and the doctor needed a way to, export prescriptions from the EMR software. So I had to code that. I think I did it in PHP of all things, but before I was heavy into Node.
Oops.
Where's Ashcat? I'm still waiting to hear what he's working on. I think I've said him. I'm sorry, Ashcat. Alright, folks, we're going to try. Truex, you didn't send me a new thumbnail to try, so I'm literally just going to have to start just changing random stuff to get YouTube to recalibrate.
He loves. Oops.
I love it. I do. More now than ever, actually, if you think about it. Let's add Swift. No. Let's just put coding challenge. Get rid of night. Swift. Okay. Christian, don't switch it all over to native if you don't have to, because you can always build a native app, and if you build a really performant
Wait, who had the special emoji?
web app, you can pull it in. That's what I'm doing when I build. You guys seen that vlog test I did last night? I didn't code everything natively. I coded 95% of that just to be a highly optimized progressive web app. But it is in a native app, and it communicates over a bridge, an event bridge. So that's why I did the event architecture, so I could embed it in other things and give additional features. So you're on the right path, I think, Christian. Keep going, and if you find yourself wanting to give it native functionality or add something that you can't do in web, just pull in as a bloody web view. More than good enough. Even if you're just doing it to take like payments or something, that's perfect. Who had the spatial emoji? Why is this bitching?
The
Okay,
one
'cause
dead
it's
guy
app
emoji.
context. Hmm. Oh, Jake Peter. Yeah, see, every time I ask Truex about the thumbnail, it disappears.
Codelock says, Jake Peter. Yeah,
But
Jake
yo,
Peter.
Christian says, so there's like a lot of things, but when it's a POS and everything for point of order system, something like that. Yeah, I know what you're getting to. Very cool, like Clover, but a lot better. Hell yeah, dude. We're actually going to be implementing payments so we could do donations, so we can have that. Because even if I'm not smart enough to take donations, people that use Kynto probably want to take donations, so we're going to have to get set up for it. We'll implement like, there's WebPay, which is built into the browser spec. There's native app pays, and then there's also Square and PayPal. We'll hit all of them. Now there is services that you could just hit that does all that for you, but where's the fun in that? Let's build everything from scratch. That's how I've done everything else.
With HRMS system within it also.
What's a HRM? What's that? I can't even say it. Okay, so the server did crash.
Human resource management system.
Oh shite. It sounds like you have a man with a plan.
Holy moly.
Seriously. We're making big changes to the title. It worked great for us a week or so ago. We got 3,000 people on a single stream, but we need to keep adjusting. There's a full list in the photos, so you got more. Let me take a look. Oh, there's another one here. Can't really scroll down. It's the best we can do, guys. Let me see. Oh, you've been working on this hella recently, dude. Right on. Tori desktop app conversion. Set up a code deployment pipeline, it looks like. Website builder complete. Hell yeah. Logo builder complete. Jeez. Sounds like I wouldn't be surprised if you and PH start talking offline. Very cool, man. Keep us updated, and if you ever want to come on and share anything, we'll set it up on stream. And the simplest way is just to take screenshots of the video, but we could do that.
Lol.
Yeah, we love show and tell.
We do love the show and tell. PH is currently the master of show and tell, and I think he's going to be holding that title
Fun
for
times.
some time. Definitely. Okay, come on, computer, you can do it. You can do
For
it.
sure.
I'll send some code if you want.
Oh snap! You want us to take a look at your code? That'd be cool. I don't think we've had anyone do that. Wait, we did. We had someone that emailed me code like 4 months ago. Okay. That's wrong. Yeah, I love that one. Can you take down just a specific service stuff? I can close down. What's it called? Server? Yes, we can. Perfect. And the database. Let's see. Oh. Do some background, default this to true. That way it can be turned off, but it's true by default. There we go. Better. Come on. Do you guys hear background music? I'm curious.
Yep.
No, we have to get new songs on. There's all this extra shit. Finally. Fuck. No, Docker is crawling, man. It's the Xcode. We're just gonna have to close it, so I'll figure this out in a second. CPU that was killing us. This should be populated with librarians. Why is it taking so long?
Christmas event?
Oh, that's a good idea. I was actually thinking about that when I started this stream. We should have a Christmas room at the very least. You know what we should actually start doing is having like a little stream schedule for like specific events, so they can be planned ahead of time. We'll do a Christmas event like the day after Christmas.
I came up with a thumbnail.
The day before. Hell yeah, Truex. Let me take a look. Where'd you drop it? I don't see it in DMs. I might have to just restart this development computer.
I think we should. That would be cool. Holidays always attract people.
100%. And it's fun too. I think we should not use it tonight, and it's good to use it tomorrow. Alright, Rex. We'll go with that. Where did you pop it though? I really didn't see it. Oh, I think it was VPN that was doing some crazy stuff with Docker. Wow. Wow, wow.
I am sharing it in sex.
2 secs. So now I'm gonna flip the set and see if we can turn it back. I don't know. Oh, some new settings. Use background, let's turn it off. It's still there. So.
Incoming my budgeting app.
You guys watch Caleb Hammer on YouTube? Speaking of budgeting. Oh my god, okay.
Hello.
Deceased, welcome back, buddy. Deceased is not deceased. Well, it's not tonight, unless you're a ghost. Every time I open Discord, it says audio device changed. I never use audio devices with Discord, but it slows me down using it. Okay, cool. Oh, I know what's going on here. I'm treating this as if it's a component, it's a populator. 2 seconds, Christian, we'll take a look.
And it
I'm my
saves
own
everything.
I'm my own worst enemy. We're doing dependency injection here. That would be easy for me sometimes. I just get caught up in silly stuff that I've already designed, architected, whatever you have you. I need to populate that dependency. Right there. Passing user. And that should be that.
Thank God I save stuff on my phone. Lol.
Oh, I can't imagine your computer situation with the internet. No. Take a look at some of the Christian's code here. Some HTML. It doesn't look like JSX. See, there's a ton of lines. Well, let's get to. There's the data. You can deduce your schema from your data here. Oh shit, you're doing like hardcore raw JavaScript. Interesting. This is how I learned how to put things together.
You can save it and run it.
Any volunteers while I code? I know you're not on a computer, but if you guys could pop this in a zip, I'll put it up.
If you want.
Yeah, no, I'm down. See if we can enlist some help here. It looks like it's, yeah. It's funny. What do they call this? Interpolation, where you can do, variables inside of a string. You essentially get like a little template.
You want to see my own kind of bootstrap CSS?
Yeah. Before you had to use stuff like mustache just to do basic stuff like that. It's so funny. If it's at all possible, if you could put it in a zip file, or someone else here in the chat could, that would be easier, because I've got bad ADHD, man. But if we get it, then I can just open it up. Okay, cool. So disabled it. Let's see if we can re-enable that. We do have an unreleased dark mode for Kynto as well, so I need to release that. Come on. Oh, we need to actually have it render. just went the long way around. I could have just made that component in the first place. It would have made more sense because it's actually manipulating the DOM. Oops. Let's try to turn that off. Pretty cool. You can see the lag of my Mongo. Is it MongoDB? Yeah, my MongoDB and Docker. Incredibly slow right now. Okay, that works. What else do I need? Oh, the TTS stuff. I have to fix that.
Sorry, phone glitched.
I wonder, is YouTube kicking people off? Like, what's happening, man? They really don't like me showing a Mighty Boost sketch. Let me switch. They know we're working on something crazy over here, that's for sure.
I sent you my version of Bootstrap and I sent you the code in zip.
Oh, perfect. Appreciate that. That's much easier for me, man. Let's take a proper look at it then.
You might have to edit it to run. It has text at the end of them.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
Anyone else is here?
Christian, what happened? Did everyone get kicked off? I start coding and weird.
I don't know.
Oh well, unless we'll have some cool stuff to show them when they come back.
Eating peanut butter crackers.
Alright, you're still with us. I was worried that like YouTube kicked people off, man, honestly.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I can't even say the word what they do, but they ghost prohibit channels for the smallest things. That's why we gotta take care of it, I guess. I don't know. I mean, we're literally just here speaking about code, like, it's fucked up. I'm just seeing one file in the zip file. So we can look at the CS, but we can't run it. I need to. Or maybe hold on.
Really?
Yeah, let me take another look, just make sure. Where'd it go? Oh no, false alarm. It's here.
Let me see on my side.
You're okay, you're good. I don't know what happened, but it's there, man.
Okay, good.
Let's quickly inspect the code, make sure it's not crazy. I don't expect it else, but we have it. Interesting. I thought you had to use var parentheses to set variables in CSS. It's not okay. You do. Alright, that's what I thought. Okay. Let's quickly rename this. Looks like we're getting a error here. Looks like goals progress is not defined, or no, that is defined. Maybe the data is missing. Hold up. I think we might be missing the data file. Alright, you did said that separately.
What error?
That goals progress is not defined. So the goals progress is calculated from a reducer of all the goals, And you have an arrow function there that like calculates like an average. I'm assuming that you need to, not only the data is right in
No
here,
data file.
the sample data is included right in here. So what's the problem? Okay, I'll tell you the problem right now. It's looking for a document get element by ID for goals progress. It's not defined, that's why text content is thrown an error on it. So what we'll do is we'll take a quick look at your DOM, your document object model, and like see if it's actually in there. Otherwise, this is what you're getting. Alright, we could just run a search, I suppose. What was it? Goals progress? Yeah, it's not defined. What we'll do is we'll edit that out right now. It's this guy. What's going on there? Oh man, there's something weird. Her place is Kynto. When did you run this, Christian? So this container value.
Say what?
Now, there's a bunch of missing containers. So where you have like literally a container, document get element by ID, transaction dash list, it's not defined in your DOM. So that's why it's not, this is the next issue why it's not working. Let's take a look. Yeah, see when I search your HTML, it doesn't, maybe your, nope, it has the closing tags. Basically, the JavaScript's looking for divs with an ID that doesn't exist. And I edited one out already, but if I keep editing them out, we're not going to have anything left. But I can just run through it for you. Let's disable this.
I had them all there.
I know, but maybe you have a different version somewhere. I'm telling you, you're gonna get the same errors when you run it.
You ever made your own custom Linux OS?
Oof. You guys know Terry Davis? He built his own operating system without bloody using Linux. The guy was something else. What about you, PH?
It's on my computer. Man facepalm.
No worries, Christian. I don't mind helping you get it back in working order, but yeah, just letting you know, you got a couple of
Nope,
couple of
but
things
I'm
going
going
on.
to.
Hell yeah, PH. What are you looking to do? Should do
I was
a
working
build
on
just
it
for
before
Kynto.
it died.
Ah man, that's annoying. Yeah, Christian, if you don't use a GitHub or Bitbucket or something, I recommend you do it because, dude, I've had computers go out,
Debian
lose
base.
all my stuff. PH, you ever hear of Puppy Linux? My computer was so crap when I was a kid that I had to run Puppy Linux. The whole distro was like 88 megabytes. It was tiny. 88 megabytes, I'm not even kidding. It's on 100. Ooh, I got macaroni and cheese poppers.
Yup, minimal Linux distro, haha.
Going to be night, guys.
Later, buddy.
Bed.
You're off to bed. Oh, that's funny. 360, cook for 3 minutes. Will do. Have to get some snacks in the air fryer. Okay, dokie, folks. Let's get back to Kynto then. We can have a look at Christian's project tomorrow. Voices. Okay, so we're refactoring TTS system. That's what we're doing. That's good. Anyone just tuning in? This little avatar experiment you see is all driven by Lab Chat. And you're not alone. Say hello. Oh, that's right. You have to subscribe first. That was True X's idea. But PH, I'm gonna have to do earlier streams because if I do these super late ones, man, like almost 0 subscribers, and if I do like a somewhat early one, we could get 20. It's crazy, crazy swing, man. Kills me actually, because like I said, I don't get into coding until it gets late, so it's kind of problematic. Oh, interesting. So YouTube just released a new feature. You can now automatically turn the most engaging moments of your live streams into shorts. Let AI do the work so you can spend less time editing. Shit, let's try that out. Because we have like engaging moments, guys. We're mad. You can stream to your phone screen. Damn, we might be pushing YouTube in the right way. They just released it so you could actually use the app to stream your phone screen. This whole time I coded my own bloody solution to do that. There's no way in hell. Whatever. I literally tried that and it didn't work, so what? Maybe they haven't pushed it out to everyone's phones yet. It's possible. Maybe it only works on Android. I don't see it on iOS. Yeah, right? No. I don't have that option. I'm curious if I'll be seeing the girl tomorrow. She's off, but I won't blame her if she catches up and sleep and gets with me on Wednesday. Oh, we're up to date. Interesting. Guess they just do it for some folks. I also feel so bad that I coded it myself now. Let's give a pull out of here. Whoa, we will pull this out. Speak using accessibility. This is our whole TTS system right now. We'll have a whole replacement for it, but it's kind of risky to test it. Okay. Interesting. So what does it need bound? Let's speak with an A.
Hello.
Hello, Babu. Any updates on the 2D game?
Yes, I'm making it, but I'm facing some issues.
Anything you want to chat about? I know it's not easy, man, building a game. It's really not. They look easy, but they're not.
Yes, it's not easy, but I'm always looking for places to get instance.
What do you mean?
Suggestions.
100%. Please feel free, if you ever want to chat in Discord about it, or right here, 100% down, man. Good, we don't need that. I can go.
Sure, I will sharing to you in Discord later tonight.
Heck yeah. Lag. Come on.
I'm sorry
So it
if
looks
I
like-
missed something rolling on the floor laughing I was passed away.
Oh, no worries, Truex. Just a lot of coding, honestly. I'm starting to refactor the TTS system so we can stop having it cut off and we can get the voices correct on the native iPhone app. So we'll fix a couple of things at once. Oh, looks like we have an issue already, which is good.
This is my sleep system. Tears of joy. 30 minutes, sometime 1 hour and gone.
That's what happened to me tonight, honestly. Like, I'll be wanting to do a stream, you know, like 10, 11 o'clock, and I'll fall asleep for like 3 hours and then wake up. We'll do the stream, and then I won't be able to get back to sleep for hours afterwards. I wish I could beat it. Put a little olive oil on this. Out the kitchen.
What's the answer of the poll? Is it
Correct
hello
one.
world thinking face?
Meet me at the zoo. Were you on when we watched it? We're going to need some more poll questions, Viral Babu. Honestly.
Oh, it's that video, right? I have watched that.
Yep, that's the one. The only video he made, which is crazy. Maybe he made more and that's the only one he left up. Truex, did you see that YouTube
16
added a
seconds
bunch
and
of...
monetized tears of joy.
Yeah, did you see YouTube added a bunch of AI stuff
How
to
the
YouTube
hell rolling
Studio?
on the floor laughing?
All you have to do is create YouTube, I suppose. That guy must be so rich.
Yes, yes, I have seen.
Any good?
YouTube is adding a video generator.
So according to the YouTube Studio AI, the channel's grown 60% in views in the past month. Returning viewers is up 50% for an average of 2,000 returning viewers a month. That's pretty cool. It's actually up 278%.
Your channel is amazingly
3,000
growing.
returning viewers. Yeah, the number I gave you was
doubt.
wrong. It's actually, that's really cool. We do have little like blips like tonight where it gets a little quiet, but it's really cool. The stats are definitely showing something is happening. Throw in the vlogs with the custom avatar system. Ooh, I'm excited. That's why I have to stay motivated. So I'll use this quiet downtime as the time just to get everything ready so we could...
How many people we
do-
got?
Oh, today, not like one. Today, I don't know what is going on with YouTube. I don't know if it's Mighty Bush or what, or maybe I just got into it. Because I only started getting 20, 30 subs a stream when I would started doing the day streams, and I've only done a couple of them. But if I started around...
And total views.
Total views, 500.
Likes are good.
Yeah, likes are really good. And we have so many people now, like regular people, you see it, Truex, that come on and support the streams every night. Like, YouTube's gonna have to register this eventually, and like, because it never had that. Like, that's a new, that's new. I think between, you know, the code streams are fun, but I can't do them every day. I can do them like 5 days a week. Being able to do 2 or so vlogs in the days that I'm off means we'll be going all the time, every day. That's the goal. Five days of building, 2 days of testing. Trex, did you send that thumbnail though? Because I do want to make sure that we're using that tomorrow.
Yeah, many similar faces coming daily. Pasta, Viral Babu, Power Skill, PH, Christian, Missing Sun though.
Yeah, I know it's not seen Sunlord in a while. I see him logging Kynto random times because I get text messages. So he's still checking in on us, but he's not able to make it to the streams. I just have to get on earlier. I have no option.
Yeah, I will share. Wait a bit, I have to open up my system just and then I will DM.
No worries. I know you're tired. I'm definitely going to be more careful with playing clips as well. It's not worth the hit. It really isn't.
Yes, definitely they will eat the watch time.
Yeah, and I think just less likely to suggest us as well, even though we have all this like organic support now. But at a certain point it will flip. I guess we just need to get ready for it at this point. But I'm making some serious improvements to the text-to-speech system. It looks like crap right now, but trust me, it's going to end up waiting for people's existing chat messages to be complete before it goes on to the next. So
I hope you never get any strike or something. Rolling on the floor laughing. YouTube is crazy. Gives strike without any reason. Let's not get into them ever. Finger crossed.
Yeah. Here's another thing, Truex, is people lose access to live streaming all the time, even giant channels with hundreds of thousands of viewers. I think we just have to avoid like the obvious. And thankfully we're not a controversial channel. There's some risk with the text-to-speech system, but that's why the AI is a little aggressive. I think that's a good thing. It protects the channel. Because if we can't do this live, I'm not sure you guys would be as interested in it, you know. If this was just a video of me coding in the past, would you still watch?
TTS system is really amazing. I don't know why people not find that amazing.
I think the big thing is the messaging. I'm telling you, I've had so many people tell me they don't know what this is, or they'll ask me what game I'm playing. Like, we really need to, like, if you have any ideas for like a banner that I could put in the stream, like a little badge, like, I really need help. I'm telling you, we get enough impressions that that we like that. I can't even say it.
Yeah,
it's
sure,
just
I can
annoying.
create banners.
Yes, perfect. I think we really need to hammer the fact that like live chat controls this. Drex, you would really make my week, man. Make my month.
We need to showcase exactly what it is, otherwise people thinks it's a game.
Yep, 1,000,000,000%. You've nailed it. It's essentially new stream tech. We're just doing this grassroots and organically. We're not like fucking Twitch or kickerparty.com.
I really found this fascinating in just a single eye contact. I don't know why people don't able to get the idea, but yeah, we definitely need to.
Correct, that's because you're more intelligent than most. Same with PH, same with Christian, same with Sunlord, same with a bunch of you, but seriously. Oh yeah. And the coolest thing about this channel is it's very interesting to people that are like wanting to learn how to code. That's a huge pool of people. And even for, you know, people that are smart or whatever and use AI to help them code, learning how to code yourself makes you more proficient with AI, so everyone should learn.
At CodeLick, what I think is people need you to teach them what you are coding, because they are mostly here to take the advantage from what I get the idea of the world.
That's good feedback. If you look back at my other streams, I was doing that, but I think I stopped because I felt like I was driving people away by talking power skills. But now there's actually people coming on. That makes sense. Appreciate you saying that. I do have an idea of doing like a really long stream, like an 8-hour stream. We'll start like 6 PM and go to like 2 AM. You just have to plan for it. You've got folks like Pirate Software that have millions of subscribers. And he is a programmer that doesn't even code. He just plays games. And people come on his streams hoping that that's the day he codes.
Code screen a bit smaller in size to showcase what exactly is there, since it's cuted half on right side.
Good feedback. Can you still see that?
Back.
Yeah, PH is in the house.
Ash says hola senior.
Ash, ¿cómo está?
Yee buddy.
Power skills, let me know if I could shrink it anymore, or this is good enough. You can also
Right
mess
side
with
cut it,
alignment
thinking
a little bit.
face. Yes, some swords maybe are cutting on the right.
All good,
Yeah.
bro. How are you?
Ash, doing good. Did you see the test we did last night? We built a version of the streaming software just for iPhone, where it doesn't need a computer,
Words
OBS,
asterisk, not
Streamlabs.
swords, crossed swords, loudly crying, rolling on the floor, laughing.
Where I was able to walk around in town and bring everyone with me as avatars and had the full chat system working. Although people had really fucked up voices in the avatar chat, so that's one of the things I'm
I
fixing right
don't
now.
think
but
so. I will check it out.
yeah, it's just huge. It's definitely want to catch the next one. Make sure you're in the Discord if you're not, so you can get like notifications as well. Because I'm getting told a lot of people are not getting notified when I go live, and they want, they want to be. Power skills and True X. Let me know if I can zoom out anymore. I just want to, I want to show you guys as much code as possible, but I want it to also be readable. Do you know what I mean? Just let me know. I'll zoom out one more so you can see what it would look like with like most code in there.
PH, do you use Reddit, S subreddit known as Codington?
I'm familiar with that Reddit, but I've never posted on it. I got banned on Reddit for some reason. I've posted like 2 things.
What we working on here?
TTS system. Making it so it doesn't cut the messages off when you talk. And just to clarify,
No,
power skills
got
point.
banned on Reddit.
Same. Don't know why. We're using the browser's speech synthesis, which is an accessibility API, to do TTS and Kynto. Everyone gets unique voice. We got a couple of bugs
posted
out
your
here.
stream and got banned, rolling on the floor, laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing.
Damn, True X, you really took one for the team, man. Oh, that's so cool you did that, man. I appreciate you.
Asterisk, 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 rolling on the floor, laughing.
Damn, man. You should get us a screenshot if you can, because I can make a little short out of it. But yeah, we're using the accessibility API to do the TTS system. I'm improving it right now, so it uses correct voices. Where it's embedded in a Swift project, which is Xcode or Android. Yeah, so I use Replay Kit to
Why
build
even
that.
banned? I see bubbles, tears of joy.
Bubbles,
Scotland
yeah.
looks very different to how I remember it.
Ash, that's because I'm in the land of the flat and the palm trees and New Yorkers. I'm in Florida. Yeah, I'll do some daytime streams. That's why I'm
Face
improving
blue
the
smiling,
system.
Face blue smiling.
But yeah, I'll show you guys more of Florida, or at least how I experience
It's good
it.
now
Because
at Code Lake.
All right, perfect, power skills. We'll keep it here. And yeah, you see Bubbles was banned in
Merrick.
this list. This is another TTS system I built and didn't release. So we're actually going to move to that.
Marika.
F yeah. And one of the annoying things you guys notice all the time is it cuts your chats off when you're talking. Someone else says something, cuts it off. So I'm using the on-end event to detect when the speech synthesis is finished, and it reads it. You might see there's some code in an iframe here. You might not see me do that. It's kind of crazy. You guys that know JavaScript know this is kind of crazy. It's because I'm coding kind of a weird TTS feature I've never seen before.
Using a queuing system would be cool too.
That's essentially what we got going on here. Here's an experiment that we're going to try in one of these streams. So I implemented a TTS chorus, meaning, so say power skills says you, but TrueX is talking about
What is the
thumbnail.
nickname of the AI assistant in Iron Man movies that inspired many coders? A. Friday. B. Jarvis. C. Edith. D. Ultron.
Why does Jarvis sound familiar? But I'm going to grab that. We're going to use that for tomorrow's poll as well. But yeah, we're going to have a TTS chorus system. So it's going to sound like, you know, like we're actually in a room talking. Like slight
Correct.
overlap. But delayed enough so it sounds like, you know, like an actual conversation. It's going to be interesting. The whole point is to make it sound like we're in an office space or like a quiet coffee shop. And
That would be cool.
yeah. Sweet. Hell yeah, Ash. Yeah, so even to get the browser to even do this, I had to get a little hacky. There's only one instance of the speech synthesizer accessibility API available in a single tab, but I figured out if we create a bunch of iframes just to read out
Which
that
company
message.
owns GitHub? A. Apple. B. Google. C. Microsoft. D. Amazon.
Microsoft, because they've fed it with they fed it all into OpenAI. But we create and destroy iframes now just for the specific
Spatial audio
message.
would be a fun feature to haha if you go into the corner of the office for a private chat.
Ash, man, you're speaking my language. Fucking love it. Yes, sir. 100%. That would encourage people to use the move commands as well to get like closer to, you know, I'm the
What
host
is
in
the
this.
answer? PH. Tears of Joy. B
I like
owns
that, Ash. We're gonna
everyone
do that.
contacts.
That and TikTok. And Facebook. For some reason, it doesn't need your permissions to suck down your contact list. It's crazy. Oh, ask
Probably
for it, but it'll take
BIDK.
it.
Tears of Joy.
Power skills. Come on, vote with me, man. Vote with me.
Who is the CEO of OpenAI as of 2025? It's C.
Is it still Sam Altman?
Elon Musk. No.
They replaced him.
Yes, Sam. Tears of
Mhm.
Joy.
Wasn't Sam fired for like a week? There's a bunch of weird drama with OpenAI. And yeah, Elon Musk was one of the original board members or something of it.
He was rolling on the floor laughing. Jeff Bezos got the robots in.
Yikes. That dude is weird.
OpenAI Atlas browser rolling.
Then he decided to make Grok.
Seriously, Vire Baby. Grok seems pretty impressive these days. I've not messed with it, but I've seen some interesting videos. They gave it like an avatar though, right? It's a female now. Grok's a female.
Deep Agent.
you seen Bezos's fiance? Are they married yet, man? What a score. Holy smokes. If there's any more plastic, should be coming out like, what was that? Toy Soldiers. You remember that movie? It was a good one, Toy Soldiers. No,
you can get any woman you want with enough money. You can even build your own. Small soldiers.
Small soldiers. You got it, Ash.
True.
Yeah, it was small soldiers. Thank you, Ash. That was it.
Real doll.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop this on tonight.
What does
a
the
funny
C
one.
in C language stand for? A. Compiler. B. Code. C. Successor of B lang. D. Control.
Before we answer that, here's the question. What came first, C or the compiler? Now that's a good one as well. Just saying. I know what my answer would be to that. It's not what you think.
Apparently OpenAI allowing spicy chat from December. Why do we need it?
JK,
Oof.
JK, tears of joy.
Oof. PH is going to be right on there, like hooking up to a robot.
Compiler came first. Nah, I'ma build mine locally.
Probably got it. Yeah, you're better off with that. It's literally written in B. Remember we were just talking about that
B
the other day?
successor C.
Yep, exactly.
What was the original purpose of YouTube? A. Video sharing for everyone. B. Online dating site. C. News video hosting. D. Education platform.
Is this a trick question, Babu? I feel like I'm getting tricked.
Is Viral Babu an AI training on code lock audience?
Viral
Face blue
Babu.
smiling, face blue smiling.
Well, he's the best AI because he comes in with awesome poll questions. Thanks to Viral Babu, we actually run polls on every chat, every stream now, and like we'll get more people voting in the polls than even liking the video. So it was actually a really good idea. But I'll be honest, I don't know
What's the
who's
answer,
real and
PH?
who's not. I really don't.
Big ups Viral Babu.
B. Tears of joy is the correct answer. 100. It's A. Haha.
It was a trick.
See the option B. It's the correct answer.
Wait, B?
No way. Really?
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, I just confirmed it in Google. It was launched by former
can check
PayPal
Tears of Joy.
employees. The dating site did not gain traction.
Then
They
why we do
posted-
censored?
They posted ads for women to try and like fake it, but it didn't work. Wait, that gives whole new meaning to Meet Me at the Zoo, the first YouTube video. That's why it was so short. He was doing it to get a chick. He wasn't doing it for us to watch. He was doing it for
Now
a
it's
lady.
not for that, it's for education. Now rolling on the floor laughing, but at that time it was could have been the best dating app.
You know what? Remember back in like the 80s, early 90s, before the internet, people would record VHSs of themselves in front of a camera, send it in, and it would get sent out to like chicks or
PH.
dudes whoever you were dating. They kind of just wanted to make that online, I suppose. Those VHSs are awkward. Let's see if I can find one.
They could have helped me catch AIDS.
Oh god. Well, at least a clap, right?
Imagine if the future was different. Hands clapping.
This
What
would be
was
a
the
very
first
different
computer
chat.
mouse made of? A. Metal. B. Plastic. C. Wood. D. Rubber.
I watched a thing on it, but for some reason I think it's wood, but that's not what I've seen in the video.
Or
You guys
C.
like watch 8-Bit Guy or any like those type of channels?
It
Cathode
was
Radio?
Wood.
It was? Okay.
I knew it. PH is from orangutan, S time.
I'm confused. Yeah, see what I'm
True.
talking about? The vote, the poll got 16 votes as
Orangutan.
opposed to 11 likes on the video.
Very historical.
Well, maybe we need to click it. Okay, that worked. Unless I add a button. So you guys should know when you code a TTS system using the browser's accessibility API, it only works if the user first clicks something on the web page. And the way I've coded Kynto is you just reload it, automatically loads you in, puts you in a room. So that's why we were having some difficulties with the TTS system yesterday. So I'm going to address that by adding a setting that lets you prevent Kynto from loading until you click the button, you know, to enable TTS, and then that'll solve that issue.
What does the .x file extension stand for? A. Executable file. B. Extra execution. C. Extended file. D. Example program. Correct full score. PH is no agable person cool. When I'm not baked, tears of joy. Knowledgeable. High is wearing off. Thank you folded hands light skin tone. Which programming language was used to create YouTube originally? A. Java. B. PHP. C. Python. D. Ruby. Your voice is not coming. At Codelock, tough one. WEBTRC. It's C. Grin. Wait, maybe D. Bet. Face fuchsia tongue out. C. Option. Python, that was my first guess, but then I second guessed it.
Alright, good thing we have two microphones. I was saying that Ruby on Rails was huge for a while. Before Node became a thing. Everyone was getting pushed to Ruby on Rails.
Fish orange wide eyes. Well done, PH.
Yes, indeed. Oh, we didn't populate our sub counter tonight. I wonder if that has an effect, or people see 0. Probably does.
Fish orange white eyes.
Jake Peter.
Thank you folded hands light skin tone.
How it's saying two people.
Power skills. YouTube messes with the stats. It's the only explanation I have. Because we had.
I am alone watching it from 2 device.
What the hell?
5 on my end.
I'm seeing 7 now, but I'm sure it'll drop back down in a second.
Now 7. What it is showing. Rolling on the floor laughing.
11.
Four again, rolling on the floor laughing.
I'm looking at YouTube Studio. Let's see what it says on the site.
11. Pizza.
It's going free on the site. Guys, make it make sense.
7-11.
I was actually where the first date where I took the check that I've been seeing.
Yes, sir.
We did other stuff after, but she really wanted to get a slushy. Message her saying, I'll take you to get one.
What did you think of the pizza?
It's good time for us at Codelic to watch your stream, mostly out from Europe, you know.
Yeah, Europe's just waking up right now, eh? Ideally, I'd do 2 streams. We'd do one during the American day, and we'd have a late night one as well. It's difficult streaming during the day. I don't know why. I think it's hard to code this stuff. I don't know.
It's better on the weekend.
Because it's good time to watch, it's just afternoon.
I've not tried this 7-Eleven pizza, but I was told to check it out. That it was really good.
But I buy the whole pie.
Was it? That was you, PH. You told me. I think it was you.
They cook one fresh. Yes.
Right on.
Have you ever jet-lagged tears of joy at Codelic?
Oh yeah. I think I'm still on UK time somehow. That makes no sense because I would have been asleep already, but I'm telling you, I've never adapted to moving here. Like at all. When I went to Scotland last year, I was going to sleep at normal time. Lucas, hello buddy, how are you? I was supposed to read your message out, but I didn't. Yeah, we've got a lot of interesting stuff going on with it now. Spun into native iPhone development to do complete self-hosted avatar streams right on the iPhone, and that's
Hey Lucas,
we're
welcome
excited
to the
about
stream.
that.
I can't believe old Greg got you flagged.
It did, PH. It did. I do think it had an impact because we had like 3,000.
Please don't forget to double
8 days
tap on the
ago.
screen to show some support, Purple Heart.
100%.
You won't get deleted, will you?
No, PH, I cut out of the video. I think what happens, I can't say the word, but essentially they delay sending people for a little while. Let's put it that way. But no, it's a huge risk of the stream, and that's why like we have to be protective of the chat
Should
system.
make a backup account for us to sub to.
Yeah, I do have one. I do have one. It's right on the
We
channel.
need to cross the 3K record.
Yeah, we do, Truex. I think it's going to take like an 8-hour stream to do that. Access triggered.
I agree.
I'm also going to see if I can code it so the...
And get
The
donation
vlogs.
abilities.
Alright, yeah, 100%. Once we harden off the iPhone vlog style avatar streams, we'll move to implementing that. Appreciate you.
Fire_man says we're going here. Please explain.
Fireman, hello. I'll see if chat can help explain it because they do a better job than I can. Oh, but welcome, buddy. So let's call them events. Let's try this in another browser.
It's a real-time avatar chat system connecting YT, Twitch, Kick, Discord in a single place.
Very succinct.
Bye.
Hot wife says that's so amazing.
Bye-bye, fireman. You left as quick as you came.
At fire_man, welcome to the stream. Feel free to come back, buddy.
Saeed says nice. Guessing think loud in all way.
Hot wife is back. Hello, hot wife, how are you doing?
Josh Wilkins says I might have to stream with Kynto.
What would you like to stream, Josh Wilkins?
Sure thing at Josh Wilkins. Do it, we'll join.
It's here. Okay.
Iron Pulse Network says that's what she said.
Oh, PH is bringing out everyone. I love it.
Who's she, hot wife? Don't forget to double tap on the screen to like this stream.
Settle down, y'all. I'm for the streets.
Oh no.
Wow, what you are going to do, rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing.
Caring is caring.
Asterisk 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 rolling on the floor laughing. I wonder if you got all of those likes. PH is amazing, rolling on the floor laughing.
Listen, they're not coming through the API. YouTube knows.
Yeah, 15 likes it shows. Haha, thanks, so are y'all. Bet. Why don't you
Okay.
refresh it?
It automatically updates. I know it's working because you see the user count updates. It shows how many people are watching. That's also the same call that gets the likes. So that means YouTube's filtering them out. I can show you one thing on the website, and then they're a little bit more cautious on the data that they return in the API call, if that makes sense. But the user counter wouldn't be updating if it wasn't working. So that's what tells me it was working.
They see it's
Updates.
coming from. Wow, it's 12 again. How tears of joy.
Yeah, it just went back down to 10. That's funny. Oh no. Alright. There's no replacement for hard work. Which I'm fine with. That's how it. As long as like there's a chance.
Rolling on the floor
man, it's-
laughing. That's why I open up 2 to 3 devices.
Do you think that could be negatively affecting us?
With different networks. Best way to go. A lot of people have cable and cellular, so they never have. No, it's not hurting, just a temporary basis happiness if the device and IP are same.
Why isn't it pulling the boys? What did I do here? Messages with a message. Oh, because it's missing the username. I see. Okay. What I have to do.
I'll just use different VPNs and bounce, rolling on the floor laughing. Why subscribers are
can't
0 after chat number?
I can't control the internet, guys. You know that.
Snapo says 1 new subscriber.
That should do it. Need the username.
What time is it in Nebraska, PH?
Damn, it must be cold where you're at, PH. Holy crap. I don't know you were that far now.
IDKI don't live there. You once said that you are from there. 5:11 a.m. here though.
Oh shit. I want to set like 5 alarms.
It's same then tears of joy. Oh lol. IDK why I'm up.
It is slow.
Is it the 9th of November for you guys?
They can't. You're in England, right? Power skills.
Yes.
No, it's the 10th here. We in the future.
India is like 11th, is it not?
22 votes, wow.
Yeah, the polls were a good idea. Okay.
Grow channel, grow. Ocean Insider says hello, Mr. Locke.
Ocean Insider.
Is that your ex?
No, it's yours. Back, man.
Hello, I'm back.
Namaste.
Genre-centric network. Are you from India?
No, I'm just polite.
Do you have any friends who are Indian?
Does now.
Just the salesman on the phone. Sometimes Amazon phone.
At Code Lock you have?
Not currently. Lots of co-workers that were
What's the STD code of India at genre-centric network?
What?
I have no clue. Is it death?
There are many people tonight at Code Lock. See, the avatars are filled on the field.
Yeah, they are. But no one changed their clothing. Everyone looks the same. Cute AI solved my problem.
What death?
Alright, tomorrow guys we'll have the TTS queue working, so it won't cut your messages off anymore. I'm excited. Are you?
Texting 0.7269300129222175. Testing
1,292,775.
Testing.
Who's getting delirious? Is it me or you guys?
1,234,667. Delirious is fun. $9,878,976.
Testing.
Sure thing. The chat queue feature in Kynto is super handy for managing conversations, especially if multiple users are chatting simultaneously. And not in a mix, they are organized in a queue and displayed in order, ensuring that everyone's input is seen and responded to appropriately. Imagine a scenario where you're hosting a lively discussion with several participants. The chat queue helps maintain structure
www.WEBTRC.
a chance to have their say without things getting chaotic. To try it out, simply create a room, start a conversation, and observe how the messages are managed in the queue. It's a great tool for fostering engaging and structured discussions within the Kynto community. Give it a go and see how it enhances your chatting experience. Another exciting feature in Kynto is the dynamic asset registry, which allows users to access thousands of assets to personalize their virtual spaces. Whether you're looking to create a cozy living room, a futuristic cityscape, or a serene natural environment, the asset registry has everything you need to bring your vision to life. With a wide selection of tiles, items, and decorations at your fingertips, you can let your creativity run wild and design unique and immersive environments that reflect your style and personality. Plus, the dynamic nature of the asset registry means that new assets are constantly being added, keeping your options fresh and inspiring. So, if you are eager to build your dream virtual world with stunning visuals and intricate details, the dynamic asset registry in Kynto is a perfect tool to unleash your imagination. Dive in and start creating your own masterpiece today.
Have you updated something?
Testing.
It's not taking the big UW.
Testing.
No, but the moderation AI may have updated. It wasn't deliberate. Alright folks, we're going to wrap this up. We're going to roll out this new TTS system tomorrow. I'm excited about that.
Testing a woo.
There'll be less messages being cut off, so that'll be good. Alright folks, any famous last words before we shut this down, Power Skills?
UEUWUWUWUWUW.
How many views?
PH, Power Truex didn't send me a new thumbnail and said he was going to like 20 times. We have 756.
He's here.
I was telling you because X is not hearing me. Alright, folks. Let's shut this down.
I will send after you end the stream.
Alright, no problems, buddy. Alright, PH, hope you're
Tears of
feeling better,
joy.
bud. Hope you're feeling better.
YouTube stream ended. HTFU TrueX. JKJK.
I had to Google what that
JKJK
meant.
Tears of Joy.
I had to Google what that meant. That's funny. I'll HT UF2. Fuck's sake. Set it backwards. You get the point. You don't do that as well. Let me check Twitch real quick. Here it is.
XNXX stream ended.
My power a little bit longer.
You guys are worried about the channel being shut down. Yeah. Alright.
Motherless stream ended. Rolling on the floor laughing. Lol. Tears of Joy. XVIDEO stream started. Rolling on the floor laughing, rolling on the floor laughing. Better than having to submit it, haha.
What you mean, PH? Oh, I get the point now. That's funny. Yeah, Chris won't be very happy if the AI gets turned up.
Twitch stream ended.
Yeah, there we go. We'll end it on a good note. Alright, folks, we'll see you soon. It does. You know, the UK started that, like, they were the ones that led with that, man. They did that 10, 15 years ago, they started that. And I remember telling my friends over here, like, yeah, you have no idea how bad it could be in America. Look what caught up. And Australia makes it so you need a license to even, like, log in Twitter. That's disgusting. We'll have that soon. We already kind of do. Facebook, you have to use your actual name. Alright, no worries, folks. Pitch, 2x, have a good one, guys. Truex needs to go to bed. So does PH.